Are you leveraging the additional audiences that are now available to you through customer segments on Amazon Seller Central? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what brand tailored promotions are, how you're eligible, and how to set up a brand tailored promotion so that you can gain additional sales each month. And make sure to stay until the end, where I'll share how some segments have added thousands of dollars in sales every month for some brands. Okay, so I'm going to start off with sharing with you on what are brand tailored promotions. And around the Amazon Accelerate conference, Amazon started releasing some new data that they were sharing that is called customer segments. And this is really helpful because this shows you different customers that have bought from you in Amazon, and it's really found under the brand analytics. So if you're brand registered, you definitely want to be taking advantage of that. And I do have additional videos where I talk about looking at customer segments and also even how to do brand registry if you're not already enrolled. So make sure to check those out if you haven't already. But there are also audiences that you can now target with your promotions. And I think that this is really great that Amazon has now offered this, but a lot of people don't even know that it's happening, that it's being added, and it just kind of slid under the radar. So I want to share with you really how you're eligible, and then I'll show you an actual step-by-step walkthrough of how to do that. So to be eligible within your audiences, so you're going to have different audience types, and there's like 9 total as of the time that I'm recording this. So there are different segments like at risk, brand cart abandoners, those that are following your brand. So if you have a brand stores page, high spend customers, potential new customers, recent customers, promising, there's different segments that are available, and you can actually test out multiple segments within those brand tailored promotions, which I would recommend because different brands are going to see different results targeting those different audience types, but you're not always going to be eligible. So if you ever see it grayed out, that means that you're not eligible at this time. And to be eligible as of the time of recording this, you have to have at least a group of 1,000 within that segment of an audience to be able to then run a brand tailored promotion to them. So if there are not enough, then you will see it grayed out, but you can always become eligible in the future if you have over 1,000 in that segment, or if the rules change in the future. So that is really great though. Like I said, there's different audience types. It looks a little different than customer segments, but you will see some similar language between those two that kind of overlap with what you see in customer segments within brand analytics. But I want to get to the good stuff and share with you how to set this up. So now that you know it exists, and also to share with you some results that we've seen already. So you'll want to open up your Seller Central and go to the hamburger menu bar, click on advertising, and then click on brand tailored promotions. It's going to open this up. You're going to choose in the drop down your brand, and then it's going to have this button, create a tailored promotion. So within this, you'll then see what you're eligible for, and anything that's not, it's going to be grayed out. So you can only choose one at a time. So make sure to click on the one that you want to start with, then click next, and you'll want to give this promotion a name. So I typically would recommend, if there's a particular time that like a month and a year, something that's helping you when you're looking at the data of the performance, so that you can go back and know what this was that you set up. And so, you can put the month, and you can put the audience type, for instance. So I'll do that as an example. Let's just say October, cart abandoners. And as of right now, the brand tailored promotions are not by ASIN. That is going to be in the future. As of right now, it's actually, you have to offer this promotion for your entire brand catalog. So that is something to consider. If that's not what you want to do, this may not be a fit, but I highly recommend testing it. Now, the minimum discount you have to do is 10%, and you can do it up to 50%. So you'll want to choose between those numbers. And to begin with, it might be good to start at 10, for instance, but you do have to have a budget of at least $100, or you obviously could do more. And especially if you don't want it to run out, I would recommend setting this at a high amount. Now you're going to choose your promotion start and end date. You'll notice it's typically about 2 days out from when you try to create the promotion that you can start it, and then it has to run at least for 7 days. So it will make you choose at least a week, but you can choose longer if you'd like. Now it is automatically set up to only be 1 redemption per customer, which is actually, I think, great. and it'll be a preferential, meaning that that will be the preferred one. And then you literally just create it and it's created. So this is great. It's going to be pending activation status. And then once you see it's approved, it'll show up when you go back to your brand tailored promotions. Now, some of the results that we've seen it add hundreds is typical, but we've seen it even add thousands of dollars a month for clients. And there's specific segments that might work best for your brand, but we are seeing a lot of success with brand cart abandoners. So people that are adding product to your cart and then they decide, actually, I'm not going to buy this. Maybe it was the price point, and really offering that promotion. I think one of the reasons it's working so well is because they are incentivized to make the risk and make their initial purchase. So this is great for acquiring new customers and for those that just haven't really ended up purchasing because they had it in their cart and then they decided not to buy it. So it will show up on the product detail page. It's not super obvious, but it is so that people can use it and then they can redeem it very easily within their cart. So this is a great opportunity if you're looking to add thousands of dollars in sales from promotions. And make sure to watch my additional videos over here. Like, you might like this Prime exclusive discount if you're looking at testing out different promotion types. The Prime exclusive discount is another one that you can run that's a promotion that will help drive more sales for your brand as well if you're looking to do that.